Hi, good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marites Ramos from Purok 4, Barangay Burgos, Lubao, Nueva Ecija. I'm 39 years old. My height is 5'3". I'm single parent with 2 kids. My work experience, I worked before in Singapore, 6 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities was cleaning the house, washing and ironing their clothes, washing the cars. Sometimes we play and sing to the 2 children. We walk and we go to the playground. Uh, I also work in UAE for 14 years and one employer. There are 3 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities was cleaning the house, washing and ironing their clothes, washing the cars, cleaning the backyard, took care of 10 months baby girl, and I sing Twinkle, twinkle, little star, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Mom and Sir, if you choose me, I promise that I will protect your family and I will work hard and I will continue to work to your family as long as you need me. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir, and God bless to your family.